All right, let's see what other gifts you guys got.
Yeah. Derek, this is yours. This is yours. Let me open this. Of course. It's yours. I stashed mine over here.
Where's that one from?
Wow. I get a Lego.
That's Ako Mama though.
This one was from Ethan and Yo-Yo.
Ethan and Yo-Yo?
Whoa.
Wow, cool. Look at that.
What is it?
Oh, how lucky, Derek.
Huh?
That's mine.
I can't share it.
No, you can
I
have
think Derek needs help.
You know?
Yes.
Oh, this is hard to do.
This is from Dracula. Exactly. All of them.
Wow, look at the Legos.
Lego.
It's a big Lego.
I'm not using it.
Hey, Derek, open the other gifts first before you start opening the
Do this.
toys,
Open the
okay?
other. Okay, hold on. This is for me. Who's that from?
Don't forget this. Mine's from Shirley.
Shirley?
Whose is this?
That's for me.
It's here.
Thank you.
Hey, this is mine. My little pet shop. That. Cool.
Who's that one from, Derek?
This is Lucky.
Derek? What's that one from? Let me see.
Presents under the tree.
Oh,
I
cool.
got a lot of cards.
Nice.
This is some presents under the tree.
This is
Oh,
Derek from
cool.
Jacqueline.
Cool. There's so much presents.
Adrian?
Aw.
Oh, that's for you.
Yes, this is mine. I feel present.
Who's it from?
That's
Me.
Caitlin.
Who is it from?
There, this is from Shani.
Mom and Dad.
Okay, go ahead then.
Mom, this is from you.
Yeah.
So cute. Cool. Wow. Cool. Wow.
Cool.
Thank you.
There, one more. This is from Steve.
I have a lot of presents.
Yay. Hey.
What's that? Oh, I have that game.
Cool.
Same game as I have. This is so
No, the one that you
Thank you, Mommy.
the one that you have is the Dora version. Cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Caitlin.
Yeah, that's from Christine.
Mine. I know this is mine. It's from Mama.
From Amma.
From who?
This is Abby.
No.
Amma Rizeka.
Oh, I got this
Oh, sorry, this is Caitlin. Okay, there, yours is the silver one, I think.
Sorry. It's
You
okay.
didn't write a name.
But thanks for ripping it. But thanks for ripping it. But thanks for ripping
That's Debbie's.
Thank you, Derek.
There, this is yours. Yeah, Tete.
Papa, yours was the best present ever.
Really?
Maybe, I think.
Here, Tete.
Eric, is this yours?
Yeah, this is it.
Ah!
And you get to open the black one too. The black wrapping.
That's the
Yeah, that
one.
one's Christine's. I messed up. And this is
This
from your
is
friend.
mine. This is mine. I have so much
Who's that from?
presents. Yes. How do you open this?
I'll help you. Hi, Titi. There.
What was it like? This is a present something. Look at. That's green.
Wow.
I got
Yay.
a lot of things.
Oh, wow.
I like these. That's all the presents. I'm so
killing you.
this.
It's okay, Caitlin. We can save it up for
Somebody else.
yeah.
Hey, Mom. Mom, there
I guess we're not
yours.
posting that.
It's from Ethan
Oh, thank you.
Ooh, cool.
Oh.
And you switch me everywhere.
Oh, that's
Oh, a lot of
Oh,
clothes.
this is okay for sleeping, Caitlin.
Can I wear it?
Sure.
Mama, this underpants.
Wait, Derek, check to see whose that is. Does that say your name?
Oh, this is my name. Another Mario ketchup.
Oh,
This
Christine.
can go on.
Those are all Christine's. Little pictures.
I know.
So nice of her.
I get these first too. Another set.
Oh, that's from Connie.